What's up guys, myself Aditya. Today we are going to be unboxing Samsung's most reasonably priced TV which can keep your pockets full and give a great performance too. So without wasting any time, let us start into the unboxing. In the box, we have TV, a power adapter as well as a stand for mounting for keeping the floor. Now let us power on the TV. Yes, it's powered on successfully. It has a lot of great apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Spotify, Hotstar, Jio Cinema, etc. Now, let us talk about the specifications of this TV. It has a LED panel and a HD display with 20 watts output, which is great, and it has two HDMI ports, one USB port. Let's talk about the display. The display quality is really very excellent. The details which they pay off is really good. Even the blur and everything is really very good. So I would give this display an 8 out of 10. Now let us talk about the remote. Yeah, I would give this a 5 out of 10. Not because of the connectivity or something like that. I don't like remotes having the buttons. I mean, like touchscreen, it's great, but there's no labeling of the button. I don't like it. But anyway, the remote quality is really very good and they have done in a very great way. Now let us see about the stand. I've actually mounted in the TV, but anyway, the stand also is pretty great. And it is pretty solid. It stands the weight of the TV perfectly, and there is perfect weight distribution in the TV and the stand. Now, if you see from different viewing angles, it is actually pretty great. If you view from the center angle, the lighting is perfect. Left, right angle, it is even great. So if you come like this and see the TV, it's also great. If you come like this and see the TV, it's also pretty great. Now let us talk about the design. Come on Samsung, you have always done great in hardware qualities. It's always great. The design of this TV is in the next level. There's only 32 inches of this TV, so that's a sad news. Now let's see all the sides of the TV. That is the 360-degree spin. Wow, that's perfect. We have the audio video cables, everything, and an Ethernet jack 2, two HDMI cables, one thing. Wow, the design of the TV is really very good. Perfect, that's one 360-degree spin. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel here. Watch this amazing video of unboxing the Adle Extreme box. Watch this amazing video right here too, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.